Chapter 1. Introduction to Chemistry. Chemistry. It is the branch of science which deals with the composition, preparation, and property of element, compounds, and other substance. It also deals with different kind of chemical reaction. Branches of chemistry. There are seven branches of chemistry. These are: A. Inorganic chemistry. It deals with metals and nonmetals, their property and reaction. B. Physical chemistry. It deals with different measurements and instruments. C. Organic chemistry. It deals with carbon and its compounds, benzene and its derivative. D. Biochemistry. It is that branch of chemistry which deals with biochemicals and their properties. E. Analytical chemistry. It is that branch of chemistry which deals with the composition, preparation, and properties of analytical reagent. F. Industrial chemistry. It is that branch of chemistry which deals with the chemicals of industrial applications. G. Agricultural chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the substance of agricultural utility like fertilizers, pesticides, etc. Role of chemistry. Chemistry is playing very important and pivotal role in human life. Some vital roles played by chemistry are as follow. I. Birth controlling drugs are proving very important in population control. Population control will solve major problems of the nation, mainly of food and shelter. Second, new fertilizers and insecticides developed in agricultural chemistry have proved very useful in improving the crops and increasing yield. Second, third, after second is wines and beers are being produced by new method of chemistry. Fourth, many medicines developed under the expanding dimension of chemistry have saved men from dreadful diseases. Vitamins, hormones, etc. are proving very useful. Fifth, industrial chemistry has proved very useful in producing new soaps, detergents, cosmetics, etc. Sixth, we see a revolution in our daily life in the consumer's products due to chemistry. Founders of chemistry Lavoisier and Robert Boyle are considered as founder of modern chemistry. In fact, chemistry is born from alchemists who tried to make gold from ordinary metals and elixir. These chemists could not make elixirs or gold, but as a result, chemistry and its branches were developed. The chemist gave to the world new type of experiment and new methods of fabrications. Industrial revolution has resulted because of physics and chemistry.